Designed particularly for young women and girls who want to monitor their fitness journey, this Fearless Fitness and Nutrition Planner is a great match to meet your needs. First, in Fitness Performance page, you'll see a weight log section where you can monitor weight a little bit more strictly. Below that, in Fitness Performance section, you can keep track of your training sessions, jot down a note about things you can improve such as body movement, posture, etc. Next, there's a muscle group section where you can relate both the type of training and the muscle you're exercising. Moving on to Nutrition Meal Planner, where, as the title suggests, you can plan your nutrition meals ahead to enhance your body fitness. You can list down the food ingredients you need to buy such as oatmeals, banana, etc. In this section, you can plan what you want to cook and set for which date you want to have them. It will be automatically reflected here in the calendar view. Once you complete it, just tick it. Next, these two sections store all your recipes along with its ingredients and step-by-step. Lastly, see what you're cooked in the past. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. We really appreciate it.